I think they're safe. Don't worry about it. Hopefully not. They have been stuck in trees before.
There's the remote control to fly it. This is a remote. Don't touch it.
The detonator. Okay. So, Alex, get over here. Here's what's going to happen. When we do the countdown, you're going to press the launch button, which is right here. But when you press it, you have to keep your finger all the way down and don't let go. Because electricity has to get from the button all the way to the rocket, okay? So when we say go, you're going to press that and keep your finger down until the rocket goes up. Okay, guys, we're going to do a 10 countdown, starting now. 10, 9, 8, 7, well, that was unexpected. Uh-oh, incoming. Oh! Oh, my. Excellent. Parachute failure.
Check the pilot.
He wanted to do it now.
Can we do it?
I guess we usually count the other way.
That one's ready, too. I'm going to pour it out. Look at
this. I've never seen this before.
Have you?
Yeah, that's Jassy.
The top fell somewhere else.
Very unusual.
That was sweet. Oh no! Oh my baby!
Rocket.
That was sweet, Alex. You ready to do another one?
A dead rocket.
Okay. All right, guys. I need you back to my other safety zone.
Hey, Alex. Wait till we say 1.
I thought it was going to
Wait till we say 1.
Nose.
Okay? That was a good launch, though. That was awesome.
No, you do that thing. Parachute breakdown.
Which makes it a little more dangerous like those kids over there.
Oh, nice. Probably not. I'm not scared at all by I'll make you when it's done. I actually saw
You're going to make me clap?
break off
Sure I can
in the
clap on my
air.
own.
No, I
so maybe it
sponsored.
landed in a tree or something.
Okay, this time we're going to do it on 5. And this time, Alex, when we say 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, launch, when you hear that word, I want you to press the button, okay? Wait for launch. 5, 4. Wow.
And
Perfect. Kind of slow you down. Yay! That's really well done. Cool.
Yes.
5, 4. People get to pull it. It's his birthday, right? I suppose he
Exactly.
can launch it whenever.
I have that same stand.
Do you really?
For my laughter.
Coolness.
It worked. And that same thing.
That's awesome. And you've launched many rockets?
It worked, but it burned.
They're so fun.
It worked, but it burned.
Wow, nice.
It worked.
Sweet, it worked that time. Oh, that's okay.
High five.